Hi everyone, it's Christine and Anna, and today we are going to make some fun festive cupcakes for your St. Patty's Day celebration using Satinice fondant and buttercream.
Make your favorite cupcake.
Make your buttercream mix and
Mix it well.
now for our cupcake toppers. Roll out some green fondant and cut a circle. Roll out a thick ball of green fondant and use a 1-inch circle to press out the top of your hat.
Use water to glue it.
Pipe on the buckle with a little bit of yellow buttercream.
Flower time.
Roll out green fondant.
Cut 3 hearts.
Let's decorate our cupcakes. Use a 1M star tip and pipe a rosette.
Add sprinkles.
You ready? Pop our little head on top. And then you're gonna pop your head on top. And then we're gonna make one with our clover. Squeeze, squeeze, just like you were doing. Whoa! Add the hearts to form a clover and pipe the stem.
Cheers.
Happy St. Patty's Day!
Time to taste it.
We are so lucky to have each other. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you for watching.